Okay, we're going to cover Descartes' rule of signs again. We can look at the number of times the function changes signs to find the positive real zeros. And we can look at something else. If we input a -1 for all the x's, we can see what it does to the signs. And then we can do the same thing we did the first time and see how many times the sign changes. And that'll be the negative roots. Okay, and then the leftovers, if there are any, will be imaginary zeros. Okay, so the easiest way to do this will just be to go ahead and show you again. So let's see here. There's a sign change right here from negative to positive, and then that's it. So it looks like there could be one positive root possibility. We see the 3, so we're really looking for 3. So let's see what happens when I plug in, we'll say g of -1. What happens then? Well, this becomes negative, and this negative out in front, that gives me a positive. So I'm going to have a positive. And then let's see here. I plug in a negative here, and nothing happens, so it stays positive. And I can't change the constant. I don't see, there are no changes here, okay? It stays positive the whole way, so I'm kind of guessing that there's 0 negative roots, okay? So I'd say there could be 1. Well, there's going to be 1. There's going to be 1 real root. And then there's going to be, so 1 real, and there's going to be 2 imaginary, because nobody wants that. Let's see. So you know, when I do my possibilities here, I'd say 12. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 over 1, right? So everything over 1. And usually I'd say plus or minus, but this time maybe I won't bother with the minus, because it says there's no chance of any negative roots, okay? I guess one of my imaginary roots will have a negative in it, but there's no negative roots otherwise. So I'd be wasting my time if I tried -1, -2, -3. That'd be a waste of time. I shouldn't do that. I should look for one that's positive. So I only have to do it 6 times to find the possibility, yes or no. So we would say this one's probably just going to go through in one place, and the rest of them will be imaginary.